This is an old pipe wrench that I've had for a while, and I honestly don't remember where I got it. I don't know if it was my grandfather's or someone gave it to me or what, but it says the Tremont Manufacturing Company, Roxbury, Massachusetts. It says Tremo or Tremo on the side of it. Okay, well anyway, this nut was cast iron and it came to me broken like that, and so you can't adjust it. So in this video we're going to make this nut to replace it. I also had to make a boring bar in order to thread this internally, and I'll put that in a separate video just in case you're not interested in watching that. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we've got to do is make a bit that'll cut this thread profile, because I don't know if that's any kind of standard whatsoever, but regardless I don't have one, so I'm going to have to cut one or grind one. I've marked out the profile on the high-speed steel, and I did that by just putting some Dychem on it and then laying this on there and then taking a scribe and marking that. Alright, so now I'm going to get that ground. So now we have to get up to a 1-inch hole. Alright, let's try a boring bar. Alright, I got our tool bit in here, and I wound up having to grind the bottom off of it. It's because it was going to rub on this diameter. And now I'm getting ready to take a first pass and see what it does. Alright, here we go. First pass, and this is 5 threads per inch. think that's got it. All right, so that's got our nut built. Let's put it in here and see how we go. All right, well there we go. And this one being steel, I don't think it'll break anytime soon. I kind of wish I had hardened this, but we'll see. If something happens with this, then I'll think about doing that. Who knows? This pipe wrench probably ain't going to get a whole lot of action anyway. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.